Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the regular Boxycharm box for the month of May. Let's begin. So the first item I see here is this English Laundry No. 7 perfume. It's 0.3 fluid ounces. Let's see. This is what it looks like. It smells pretty good. Now, this month, I do not see a card in the Boxycharm box, so I don't know what the value of this is, but I did Google it, and the price for this retails for anywhere from $15 to $16 for this size. Okay. The second item that is in here is this Blink Black Lash Primer in Jet Black. So it's used to put on before you put on mascara, like a primer. And this retails for $26. The next item, this was a choice item that I got to choose, is the Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick, and the color is in Peach Flash. Let's take a look at it. And this one retails for $42. So that's what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, the product is not inside. It's stuck at the top here. Looks like I received a defective product. I will have to contact customer service about this. But let's see what the color is like. Okay, so it's this pink color. Pink highlighter. That's what the color looks like. Yeah. Okay. The fourth item in the box is this Wonder Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighting Palette. And this retails for $26. Let's see. Oh, my nail jewel is getting in the way of me opening this. Okay, I got it open. Now, looks like this does come with a mirror. And it has 3 shades inside. The first one is Tuscan Sunrise. Second one, Havana Nights. And the third one, City Lights. So, those are what the colors look like. Okay. And the last item in the box is this Beauty Creations Cali Cheek eyeshadow palette, which retails for $14.99. Looks like this one also has a mirror. These are the colors. It's a neutral color story. This is Malibu. tan lines, boardwalk, and sail. These are the 4 shimmering colors in this palette, and the rest of the 5 colors are actually mattes. So these are the 5 colors. Let's see. These are the mattes, and these are the shimmers. So if you like neutral palette stories, you will like these colors. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.